This 2025 Nexus Wraith 30F is a Super C RV. It is located in Dover, FL 33527 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Nexus is 31 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 7, Slideout, and 85 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features bunk over cab, rear bedroom. This 2025 Nexus Wraith 30F is built on a Freightliner S2 RV chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.